Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to compare Duolingo and Rosetta Stone. Duolingo and Rosetta Stone are language learning platform but offers different experiences. Duolingo is a great choice, especially if you're looking for a fun and flexible way to learn a new language. The practice button allows you to refresh previously learned material, which is key to retaining new vocabulary and concepts. However, the exercise often focus on the same types of question, which can make it feel less engaging over time. Rosetta Stone is known for its immersive, contextual approach to language learning, which is great for building a natural understanding of language. It focuses on teaching you the language through context and visual cues rather than translations. Unlike some other platforms, Rosetta Stone doesn't offer a lot of interaction with other learners or a community aspects. In my opinion, Duolingo is great for casual, free learning, while Rosetta Stone offers a more immersive paid approach. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.